going to do rapid fire, 10 rounds. Go ahead. Jesus. Hey guys, JoeteckTips here from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to the range. And this is not an ordinary range, this is an indoor range, and we're going to have a blast. We're going to do a 1 hour shoot. I have some interesting guns to show you. We're going to have some fun. Here we go. We're going into the range now.
Let's wait for it to close.
You mind if you're on camera at all?
It's theirs, I don't care. You can...
Huh? No, for you. Do you want to be on
I'm good, I don't care.
Okay.
I'm not that good, you know?
No, it has nothing to do with it. It's a demonstration.
Yeah, no.
All right.
No, this is from theirs. Actually, the battery, jam up a little bit.
Where are you aiming?
I don't know. Low apparently. Just trying to hit something.
You see your grouping?
Yeah.
Not that good.
You'd be down. 45.
Wow. Nice iron sights.
Yeah. You want to do the shot again?
Let me do the shotgun one more time.
Are you magnum load or no?
Huh?
What kind of load? I know. Oh, Frank!
You can video this thing?
Yeah, absolutely. All right, we're going to be videotaping this freaking. What is it?
What is this? A Kel-tec?
KSG.
What is it?
Kel-tec KSG.
Kel-tec KSG shotgun. You see if the camera breaks. Oh my God! Jesus Christ! God!
That is big.
So what do you think of it, Frank? What do you think of the gun?
What?
What do you think of the gun?
I like it.
So we're getting ready to shoot the 9mm Glock 19. Is that what you're going to do? The 9mm next? So Frank's going to be shooting that for a little bit. Where is it? Oh, it's on the bottom.
Another one?
I don't see it.
No, that's why.
Yeah, so.
blind. I tell you.
That's how you shoot. Like that. That's with the 9mm, by the way. Here, you're favoring the lower side of the when you were standing, you there you go. You got one of these. Very nice. 2, 3, 3. 3 in the X. Technically,
Well, no.
2 in the X. But I got rid of. So we're here at the range, indoor range at Storm Industries. Like how rifles. Yeah.
Sensation.
Oh my God, it's an awesome feeling.
Yeah, oh yeah.
What are you shooting?
Chambered in 5.56.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Wait, hold on. We're gonna do rapid fire, 10 rounds. Go ahead. Do you feel better?
Good stuff, right?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.
The revolver better than the.
How'd you do? Oh, wow.
On paper.
Oh my God, I shot the bottom target.
Yeah.
Let's see how I did. First time shooting this gun.
So you did a lot better on that. What you changed.
Wow. All right, I feel better. Thank you. I'm just curious on how shitty that was. I'd be surprised if I got anything. Oh my God, I hit another X. I didn't shoot here. I shot here.
This is you.
Oh, I got one here. The first one was here, the other 4 were here. That's why when you shoot rapid fire, it's like unknown what you're gonna hit.
That's tough.
It's good.
Generally just enough to like anything that people just think, you know, we're not going crazy with this.
Is the 21 used for paper? Is your 21 only used for paper?
Yeah, it's on the
Because it's kind of big.
Yeah, I don't carry permits. So.
Oh, okay.
It's the nightstand going, bumping the night type of stuff.
Okay. I was just curious because not many people, except for people larger like myself or someone big, we have bigger hands.
I'm really comfortable. 42, I like them both.
Okay. I was just curious.
Yeah.
Go ahead, fire away. go. You shot already?
Yeah, I did my 5.
Oh wow, that's it. I'm clear. There we go. Not bad for a 45. This is my baby. I can't wait for the Wolf of PPQ video. You guys are gonna love that one. Frank's shooting the 9mm. Same hole. Nice. You went fast on the last 4.
Yeah, I did.
Hit home. There we go. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember, if you guys are not a subscriber, please subscribe. And if you like the video, please give me a big thumbs up. Take care. See you next time. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. And now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the